Many people ask me how to install ViserLab PHP script in cPanel because I am already upload of my YouTube channel how to install ViserLab PHP script another hosting panel, but I am not upload in my YouTube channel video how to install ViserLab PHP script using cPanel. So watch this full video because I am now share with you how to install ViserLab PHP script in your cPanel very easily. At first, go to your file manager and then you choose public HTML folder. Now go to your downloaded source code file like ViserLab downloaded source code file. Now extract this zip file. Now open extract folder. You must open documentation URL because in this section you learn step by step how to install PHP script or how to customize your website using admin panel. You learn step by step in this documentation section. You must check server requirement. As you can see, this PHP script server requirement PHP version 8.3. This is a ViserLab PHP script. Okay, now we will check our cPanel PHP version. For this you find out PHP version. As you can see, you go to select PHP version section. As you can see, I am already select PHP 8.3 version because our documentation requirement PHP 8.3. You add must be documentation PHP 8.3 and add same to same in your cPanel PHP 8.3 version. As you can see, I am already at this version. So I am now again going to public HTML folder. You must public HTML folder. I am again going to cPanel dashboard and then you go to just file manager and then go to public HTML folder because we will upload our main zip file in this public HTML folder. For this I am again go to download the source code file and then as you can see this is my extract file. Now convert this file in zip file because this is our main source code file. Now I am now convert this folder in zip folder. As you can see our this folder already converted in zip folder. Now upload this zip folder in this cPanel public HTML section. For this go to upload section and then click on the select file. Now find out our converted zip file. Now upload this zip file in your cPanel public HTML folder. As you can see our zip file uploading is complete in our cPanel. Now click on the go back to. Now extract this zip file. I am now extract this zip file. As you can see our zip file extract is complete. Now delete this zip file. Now go to file folder. Now select all file and then this all file transfer this public HTML folder. For this click on the move and then you select public HTML folder location, then click on the move files. Now check public HTML folder. As you can see our all source code file transferred in public HTML folder. Now delete this files folder. Now type your domain in your browser. As you can see I am type my domain in my browser. As you can see now this is our installation home page. Now click on the I agree and next step. As you can see our many folder is error. Now we will learn how to solve this error folder. This is a very simple. At first go to core and then bootstrap and then catch. Now permission this folder. I am now go to core and then go to bootstrap and then select catch folder. Select your mouse right button and then click on the change permission. Now permission change all permission 777. Okay, now click on the change. Now reload this browser. As you can see our one folder error will solve. Now we will solve 4 folders. At first go to core and permission storage. I am now going to storage folder. Now permission 777 and then go to storage, and then go to permission app frameworks logs T folder. Just go to storage and then permission app and then permission frameworks and then permission logs. All okay. Now reload, click on the recheck. As you can see, our error folder is solved. Now click on the next step. As you can see, this is a normal hosting database connect section. Now we will connect our database in cPanel. For this, click on the create a new database for cPanel only. As you can see, here submit your cPanel username and password. Now your question, how to find username? This is a very simple. Go to your cPanel and then reload your cPanel. As you can see, current user. This is the your cPanel username. Okay. Now I'm paste my username. Now your question, how to find cPanel password? This is a very easy. Please follow my video. Now type your domain name in your browser. I'm now type my domain name in my browser, and then you type /cPanel. As you can see, follow this. You type your domain name and then type /cPanel. Now click on the enter. This system working only Namecheap cPanel. No problem. I will share with you how to change another hosting panel cPanel password. Now click on the reset password button and then type here your cPanel username. I might type cPanel username. Click on the reset password. Now submit here your Namecheap registration email. Now click on this send security code. All okay. Now check your email. Now copy this security code and then paste here. Now click on this submit. Now enter here your cPanel new password. As you can see, our cPanel password change is complete. Now paste here your cPanel password. Now I will discuss with you how to change cPanel password using others hosting panel. I am now using WHMCS hosting panel. Now I will discuss how to change like these types hosting panel cPanel password. For this, go to your active server and then click on the change password. Now I am using generate password. Now click on the generate new password. Okay. I like this password. Now copy and then paste here your new password. No problem. Okay. Now yes, I am using this password. Now click on the copy to duplicate and insert. Now click on the save change. Now change your cPanel password is complete. Now I am going to again my installation dashboard. I hope you know and you understand how to change cPanel password. Now we will learn how to create database in our cPanel and then connect our database information here. For this, you go to cPanel and then find out database section. Now click on the database widget. Now type here your database name. I am type here database name data. Okay. Now click on the next step and then enter your database username. I am enter database username user data. Now I am using password generator. Now copy this password and then paste here. Is this password not support this? I am now new generator. Just click on the and then copy and then paste here. I am now check this. Now okay, no problem. Now yes, I am this password. Just click on the here and then click on the use password. Now click on the create user. Okay. Now copy this information and then connect here. Now I am copy username, database username, and then I am now copy database name. Now enter here your host name, localhost. Okay. Now connect username and user data. For this, click on the all probabilities. Now click on the make change. As you can see, we will successfully create database in our cPanel. Now enter here your admin information. I am now submit username admin and then password admin. You submit, enter here secure information, and then I am now submit my email, admin login information email. Okay, as you can see, I am already submit here all information like cPanel username, password, and database information, and then submit here admin login information. Now click on the install now. Yes, we will successfully install our ViserLab PHP script in cPanel. Now click on the go to website active section. Now enter here your purchase code. Just open PDF file. Now copy purchase code. Sorry, I am now copy this purchase code. Okay, and then paste here. Copy license or submit here username. Okay, username, and then enter your CodeCanon or Imbato email. Okay, now I am click on the active. As you can see, now we will successfully install ViserLab PHP script in our cPanel. I hope you understand how to install ViserLab PHP script using cPanel. Your any question, ask me. I add my contact information in this video section. Please check video description and contact us. Your any question, please contact me. No problem. Thank you so much for watching this full video.